So we need to go to NVivo and then create a project. So I click here, new project, and I will name it, for example, absence reasons. So here we want to classify the absence reasons among students, and I will click next. So display save reminders every 15 minutes, auto save the project if yes and do is disabled. So project recovery, NVivo can automatically create project recovery file as short-term backups. File creation is triggered by saving, and create recovery files every 30 minutes and store the most recent one recovery files. And here the recovery file location. So I just click create project. I can change the settings. Create. So NVivo is a little bit heavy, so you should be patient when you are working on it. So this is how it opens. So we need to import the files. So we go to files and then we go to import and then files, desktop, and we look for files as document, RTF, TXT, PDF, M4A, MPG. These are all the extensions that can be imported. But in case I have open-ended data in a survey, in a questionnaire, I can choose survey, and I choose Excel. We have TXT, CSV, Qualtrics, Survey Monkey. I choose Excel. And here I go to the file, and here is the absence justification Excel response. So here what you will happen. So welcome to Survey Import Wizard. NVivo will import your survey as a dataset and create codes, cases, and case attributes from it. So cases like the respondents, respondent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And case attributes like gender, age, etc. for each respondent. Your respondents will be stored as cases. For each respondent, you will be able to open their corresponding case to see all of their responses. Closed-ended questions are created as case attributes. You will be able to compare your respondents by demographic or other values for cross comparison or Sankey diagram here. Then open-ended questions are created as codes. Question responses are grouped in codes. So we click next. This is how the survey will be displayed. So here I will click next. And then where in your project would you like to store your cases? Cases, absence, justification, responses, change location. Select unique ID for each of your cases. Here I can choose group, student status, etc. So I want to classify them according to student status, namely for time, part-time. And then create new classifications for your survey respondents. I click next. So here, closed-ended questions are used to create attributes and open-ended questions are used to create codes. Select your closed-ended and open-ended questions that you would like to import. So here, closed-ended, open-ended, don't import. In case I want to skip this one, I will click don't import. I don't need the groups. So student status, this is closed-ended question. Take decisions you have attended, don't import. Take decisions, don't import. So here, don't import. I just need kindly justify why you have not been attending the sessions. Thank you. So here I don't import. So these are open-ended. So I will just upload this one, and this one. So 3, I click next. So autocode themes, autocode sentiments. So NVivo can automatically identify some themes and sentiments in the responses to your open-ended questions. This will provide preliminary results that you can explore further to gain insight into your survey results. To autocode themes and sentiment, NVivo needs to download and install additional updates. This update contains language pack used to detect themes and sentiments in your questions. So this is what is good about NVivo, is that it can auto-code themes automatically. So I will just take auto-code themes since I'm following meaning thematic analysis. I will click finish. So after importing survey, creating cases for survey respondents, creating case attributes for closed-ended questions, creating codes for open-ended questions, and auto-coding, I click close and preparing hierarchy charts for themes. So this is what it will start doing. So what it will do, it will create a hierarchy part for or chart for themes. So you could see part-time student, you work and study at the same time. say health issues, personal issues. I missed 2 classes for health issues, full time. So this is the hierarchy that has been created. And then what we can do, so student status, we can sort, etc. We can do a lot of edits here. For the show coding strips, we have all selected cases coding, most coding, least coding. So we can see the codes here, as you can see. Item colors, so all, then selected items, most coded, less coded, recently coded, items less coded, automatic colors, group by color. So here we can see all the codes in this menu. What else? We can sort and filter by column, by row, annotations, highlights. We can auto code. We can see the charts. Some charts can be seen, others cannot. So we can see this chart, for example. We can upload it, export chart. Okay. So we have different ways of coding, like full-time students. We can change the chart type. Okay, what we can do, data values, we can add data values as well. We can do many things with regard to the data. What we can do also, we can also visualize and do word cloud. So we'll wait for the word clouds to be displayed. So most of the absence issues are health issues, personal, financial, university, mess. So you see, this would just summarizes the whole data. I can run the word cloud for the whole data set or some selected items, and I can change the color of the word cloud, how it looks, etc. So this can be adjustable, as you can see. And here, once we open the data, we can run word clouds in different, let's say, selections. So classify cases. We can, for example, based on this one or this one. So export data set. We have classify cases from data sets. We can see here word clouds as well. So this is how we can explore the data and see the coding on NVivo. I am brief. If you have any questions or remarks, do not hesitate to post them below, and see you soon. Bye for now.